Do you need to film me, sir?
Because obviously you're filming, so I'd like to have a...
Okay.
How long have you been on?
3 weeks now.
3 weeks now. How are you finding it?
I've been screaming at Crawley Council to give me somewhere to stay.
They've not done nothing yet.
They're useless.
See that? They're useless. And they've come out today to argue with me,
Yeah.
cooking this pot of soup for you guys.
Oh, well done, mate. I'm really proud of you.
Thank you up. I've got a spoon for you as well.
And they end up being strong like this. Only me will see God's throne and want to realize that.
I just wanted to help you get to what you need to achieve. I don't think you're registered with a food business with the council currently.
I've got food hygiene and food
But you're not registered with us as an authority. Organisations that can't be established.
organisations. Because this is like my second time to come to Foodie.
Alright,
So what I do...
it's been a bit more than that. It's like your fourth time.
Have you seen me 4 times?
And he's no, but it's on YouTube videos.
It doesn't matter if my YouTube videos have showed 4 times, but I've been here as my second time in Crawley.
Okay.
Yes, everybody, so a good vibe. So we're here in Crawley. Spin the camera, have a look around. So we brought some ingredients this morning. We've got a pan. Come. We've got a pan of hot water here with some garlic, red onions. You understand, people? Now we're putting in some carrots. You understand? And you know the pumpkin goes in the pot. So big up yourself today, people. Yeah. One love to each and every one of you on the program. This is the first time we're cooking since we've been banned from Croydon, people, yeah. So I'm just going to be talking about that in today's program as well, people, yeah. So big up yourself, our good vibes. We're outside right now and we just put some ingredients in the pot. That is it. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's good.
And cool, you know.
Yeah, that's it, literally. But at the same time, this lady's just turned up. I'm not putting you on blast, but we have to document everything what's going on.
I know. I don't want to be on the video, thank you. So.
But your voice is good enough, so
No, that's fine.
yeah.
But just leave me for a couple hours and I'll be gone. Yeah, literally.
Well, I'll have to find out, and then I'll get back to you. Whether you're
But I'm gonna
allowed
be
to do
gone.
that or not. No, but you're gonna be back again, aren't you?
I'm not from Crawley.
Huh?
not from
Yeah,
Crawley.
but you've been here a couple of times, haven't you?
Once. And I just thought
And
that
you're here again.
because I thought that the people really needed some help, so I thought they're sleeping underneath
So
this.
you're not gonna come again and help them?
I'll try to.
Oh, okay.
I'll try to. I'll try my best to. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To just support when I
No,
can.
you're doing a good job. Don't get me wrong. Hello, you alright?
See, look, he's waiting for dinner as well.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be really quick. Would it be better to do it over there on the green? Would it be easier? So let's find a solution then.
Yeah, just so we're out of the way of the public.
I could go.
Yeah,
where the
okay, if you move over there, that'd be great.
And then don't report it either.
Huh?
So that is.
I'm not going to report it, but I'm going to have to ask. You know,
How
so.
are you, man? You alright?
I'm alright, how are you?
Not too bad.
You
Nice
waiting
to
for
see
some
you.
food?
Lucky, it's the wrong way round.
Oh, of course, it's smelling
Lucky, it's the wrong way round.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Go on. So what we got? We got pumpkin.
We've got spinach, okra. This is the green plant in here, look. Some green plant in here, Lucky.
Got that. I can smell the flavors already.
Is that alright then? Yeah, when you're finished, just over there and then just so we're out of the way of the people. Is that alright?
All right, good vibes. Yeah.
It's brilliant.
Lucky, what's all that about?
They're just trying to come and tempt our fate, innit?
Yeah.
You know? Look, you try to help people, but there's always someone standing in the way. Look at that soup. Look at that soup.
All right, this is the beginning stages, everyone. We've still got a lot of ingredients to go into the pot. A good vibes, big up yourself. We're there. Yeah, man, we're just cooking the food. Yeah. This is like coming out. It's a fight week. This is a fight week. So everybody has to come out and try to put Ringo on blast this week. That's the thing. They want me to go out there. Look Lucky. But if anything, we're going to cook in the bandstand, isn't it? Away
Why
from
not? Why not? Let's zoom in there.
Yeah, we're going to the bandstand.
So yeah, that's right ahead.
Yes, people. So me and the brother, we're just out here right now because look, the kitchen's all the way down there. Adam, Lucky, and that they're watching the kitchen, and we were just holding the vibes and holding the reason.
Energy, the spirit of God.
That's it.
Living inside. That's right.
That's
that
it.
Dwells inside the hearts of mankind. That's right. Every single one of us. One day you go down. That's right. But your body. That's right. I tell you that. Your body is not yours, that's right. You leave it down. It is the spirit of the living God. That's the reason why the body is sustaining itself out. Without the spirit of God, the body is die out. I tell you, your God is a spirit. He lives inside, that's right. So it's best you bring it positive vibes out, that's right.
Good vibes, positive vibes, good vibes. And what the brother here is saying, yeah, let's just be mindful of why we're here. You understand? We're here for purpose, you understand? And let's try and find our purpose. And he was saying inside, there's something inside. So don't think that outside this body here that we're here, you can see, it's everything. It's not everything, you understand? But what we have inside, yeah, let's continue to rebuild that love, you understand, amongst humanity and spread the good vibration, you understand, people, yeah? Brother.
I said peace and love. I said respect to every single young and old, that's right. We do not discriminate nobody out. You see people with rask, clothes out, dirty up and all that. Do not dare to disrespect. Try to help, that's right. We are all here to help each other out. The next person you clean out from the dirt, the same person can build your life up, that's right. You never know, that's right. This is the body of mankind as we know it. The spirit of living God dwell inside this body because we receive revelation, that's right. Not the animals, not the flying birds, but mankind, that's right. We call each other for peace. In the mighty name of our God, we come together and we unite together as one, that's right. As the Spirit and the Son and the Father are one, same as the race of mankind. Not to discriminate by color or any colorblind, because heaven and that, we all know it, it's rainbow, that's right. There's lots of colors in heaven, that's right. As we see the earth, screen and all that, different kind of colors on the earth, way more you could imagine in the heavenly places, that's right. This place is temporal, you gotta go, so you gotta show love in your heart and let it spread out, that's right. I say peace.
One love, people, yeah. Let's get back to the kitchen. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, big up yourself, yeah, man. We're there with the kitchen. Wow, look at this. So look, the pumpkin's in the pot, yeah, and it's boiled out. All the nice vegetables is boiled out, people. Yeah, look at that. Come in and have a look at the pot, and look at the pumpkin just breaking down just so easily. Look at that. Wow. Yes, people. So our good vibes, yeah, man. We're there. So with the kitchen right now. The pumpkin, look at that, wow. Look at that, the smell, the coconut flavor that's coming from the pot, people, is absolutely amazing. You see last week when we cooked the food up at Crawley get a flavor, you know? But you see this one here that they're getting this week, this one, you know, normal, people, yeah? Because I put some spinach in there from early, you understand? Look at that. Nice. So the pumpkin now, everything is broken down with the pot. It's nice, just the way I want it. So what I'm gonna start doing is start to put some of the solid ingredients. Like we've got some sweet potato here, you understand? And we've got, look at this yam. We've got some yam here. All right. This is one of Adam's favorite vegetables, people. Yeah. Yes. Adam said before he met Ringo, he never ever tried yam. So look at that. Nice. So, yam, just pare this off on the sides. Where's Si?
I think he's gone on a walkabout at the moment.
Si's gone on a walkabout. So look at this. So we just peel down the yam. Peel down the yam, people. Look nice, pretty white yam. When this boils up, it's going to be nice and soft. This is the actual filler. The yam, the potatoes, they're the actual filler today, people, yeah. Remember that yam is something that scratches, so if you get this all over your skin and it touches your face, it will scratch you very much, you understand? It's an irritable scratch as well. It's not one of them scratches that's gonna, like a nice sensation scratch, people, yeah. No, it's not a nice sensation scratch. Look at that. Wonderful white yam going into the pot. This is a root vegetable. Ooh, it's jumping. That one just wanted to go in there just like that.
Ready to go in.
Ready to go in. Can't wait.
It could smell the flavours.
Smell the flavours, man. Look at that, people, yeah? Wow. So we'll cut the yam in the pot. put this yam there in the pot, people, yeah? And then the sweet potato is very, very big, giant sweet potato. Look at the colour of the sweet potato as well. Good vibes. Remember, so the people that we're feeding, they're sleeping rough, they're living rough. We don't know what they're eating, if they're eating food that's giving them the right nutrients. So it's very important that the food that we're giving them today, like with the garlic, the thyme, the scallion, the ginger, the red, the yellow pepper, the green pepper, it's so important and vital for the people them to get the right nutrients back into their bodies, people, yeah? So that you can have a healthy mind, think properly, you understand, think healthy. How can you think and even want to think about even working if you're hungry? You can't work if you're hungry. Alright, Adam?
No,
You can't
need
work,
food.
You can't work
I
if
need
you're
food.
hungry. You understand? And that is it. Show you the sweet potato here now. So first of all, let's cut it in half because it's a big one. Can you hear that? Can you hear that noise with the knife? Cut, you know. Hear this. Can you hear that sound, everyone?
Hopefully they can.
Alright. I like the sound of cutting vegetables. Sweet potato gone in.
It's got harmony.
Harmony and symphony. Rhythm. The food's got rhythm, people. It coming like when you're cutting it certain ways, yeah, it coming like it's hands clapping. Hear this, hear this, hear this. Sounds like two hands clapping together, people, yeah? That's the vibes we're getting from the food today, yeah? We're getting cheered on by the sweet potato. The sweet potato is very happy to go into the pot today, people, yeah? Alright, a good vibe, that. Right, that's it, Adam. Yes, everybody, what a community we've got here in Crawley. Wet day today. But we're still outside, said way with the kitchen people, yeah? Just having a little stroll, stretch off my legs them, you understand? It's good to stretch your legs them, and said way. Yeah, man. Rasta over there, so I feed the pigeon them.
Come and take the spirit of God, you see what he's doing?
Yes?
See the spirit of God what he's doing? But only 3 bars come to feed from my biscuits, that's right. Because the spirit of living God is trying to say to the earth, of course, this is the Holy Spirit. This cannot not be the Holy Spirit. I say, I ask the government of the earth to give my heart back because this is mine, that's right. Me and my father will make this place and we send Jesus Christ to sign a contract for all of mankind. I want you out. If you are wondering if this is the Holy Spirit or not, I have destroyed you out so many times. And it's best to give him back my crown. I gotta sort my people out. And if you do not give me back my crown, I will take it by force and I will rule over the ass of mankind. I want you out. Because this is mine, that's right.
Outside
Mine,
people.
that's right. Mine, that's right.
You understand?
Mine. I'm not joking about it. This is mine.
Yes.
They better hear that. They better know the truth, that's right. Because the heart is mine.
It's true. Yeah, man, our good vibes, people, our good vibes. See them where look. There, so set up kitchen down there so people can you see the kitchen. Right.
My love is gonna be a police officer.
You'll say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you later. Nice to meet you guys. Anyway, it's nice to meet you, Ringo.
Thank you.
Carry on cooking.
Thank you.
Smells
Look,
lovely.
look, everyone, look, I've been greeted by officer in Crawley, just came out to say hello. Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.
Thank
It's
you.
lovely to meet you. Take
Thank
care.
you very much. Thank you. So look at that. It makes it makes
One day they might come shake my hand.
Yeah.
it makes a difference. A good vibes, people. Yeah. You understand? Crawley dealt with us away. I mean, Croydon dealt with us away. Crawley's. You understand? Pushing our backs up. Thank you very much. Good vibes.
You need to film me, sir.
Because obviously you're filming, so I'd like to have a...
Okay.
Just,
I just wanted to help you get to what you need to achieve. I don't think you're registered with a food business with the council currently.
I've got food hygiene and food...
Yeah, but you're not registered with us as an authority.
Okay.
So in order to do that, you need to be registered with us. Do you live in Crawley?
I'm not from Crawley.
Okay, so you need to register where you're living and where you're preparing the food. All
I
right?
prepared the food here.
On site here now?
I prepared it today, here.
What? Where, in a property in Crawley?
Out here, on the streets.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a form to fill in. If you're operating in Crawley and preparing food in Crawley, you do need to be registered as a food business. We'll try and help
But
you
I'm
get
not-
to
I'm
be
not
where you
selling
need
it
to
though.
be. Doesn't matter, even if it's free.
Yeah.
In order to make sure that you're complying with the food hygiene requirements and food safety requirements, then you do need to be registered.
Right.
Also, the authority is considering its position with free food provision. Have you considered working with an organisation like Crawley Open House or other organisations that are properly established?
Organisations, because this is like my second time to come to
Okay.
Crawley.
All right.
So what I
It's
do...
been a bit more than that. It's like your fourth time in Crawley.
Have you seen me 4 times?
And he's no, but your YouTube videos on there.
It doesn't matter if my YouTube videos have showed 4 times, but I've been here as my second time in Crawley.
Okay.
So I don't know what you're trying to instigate. You're trying to instigate something because you've counteracted to impose as if I'm telling a lie or something. I don't need to
Not
lie.
at all, sir.
So I'm speaking to the lady and you're intervening.
Brother, you
I don't
fancy some soup?
I don't have anybody intervening with
Bro, you want
the
some
personal
soup?
conversation, which she's yeah, thank you very much, because it's just a personal conversation, right? But you're assisting her, right?
Yes.
That's
Right,
right.
these are my
So that
colleagues.
means you don't need to be speaking while me and I'm having a conversation with her.
As I
Thank
said,
you.
I'm Corinne Plimpton.
Thank you,
What
Corinne.
I'm trying to do is help you get to where you need to be.
Right.
So if you can give me your name, your contact number and an email, I can then start that discussion with you.
Right.
Okay, rather than having a lengthy discussion with you on the street here today, to get you to the right place and get you properly regulated and managed. Okay?
All right, no problem.
You happy to give me your details, sir? Houses are open regularly.
Till
They
what
are
time?
a residential accommodation. I
Right.
don't know the specifics, sir.
Right.
But there
So
are...
you come here to tell someone
I
not to do,
didn't
and you don't
catch
even
your
know
name,
who's
sir.
doing. But don't worry about my name. Well, my question to you: do you know his name? He's been out here for 3 years. You come out here because we're making food. We're making food, and you come out here. And man's been out here for 3 years. You know his name because he cooks. But what's my man's name over there? 3 years. Man, go home. I'm so sorry.
We do know his name. And
I didn't ask we. Asked the lady here specifically.
Let's not hit it up.
This is not right.
Positivity is...
Sorry, but don't shush me, woman. You come
Sorry.
here to talk about nobody
Okay.
hands out hot meals. These people on the streets, they don't get a hot meal in the evening, and I'm gonna make sure they do. Excuse me.
Let's go off that. No,
My aggression and my anger, my passion.
I know you,
My
I
passion,
know you
because
work
this
for the
ain't right.
council, right?
do, sir, yes.
These people cannot fight you, man. These people cannot fight you. We will work together on this.
Authorities
You need your own
come out.
place. I am a
Why-
chef too. I cook. I can do their license.
Why are we getting so much fight?
Sorry, man.
The kitchen is here. People, just look out for what's going on, innit? Our good vibes, we're here anyway, yeah. We're still standing firm on the ground, just trying to serve the food.
The religious gang.
How long have you been on it?
3 weeks now.
2 weeks now. How are you finding it?
I've been screaming at Crawley Council to give me somewhere to stay.
They've not done nothing yet.
They're useless.
See that? They're useless. And they've come out today to argue with me,
Yeah.
cooking this pot of soup for you guys.
Oh, well done, mate. I'm really proud of you.
Warms you up. I've got a spoon for you as well.
And they end up being strong like this. Only means we see God's throne and want to realize that Jesus Christ is inside the Son, inside the Son. That's the reason why they did my phone back there.
Good vibes, people. So we're on the mission now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna make a move. So we're gonna step out now of the kitchen. Let me just clean up the trolley a little bit. take out the pumpkin and Adam, what we doing with these potato skins? Are we
We're gonna
making
cook
fried
them up.
potato skin?
We're gonna cook them up tonight, aren't we?
Alright then cool. We've got some fried
100%.
potato skins, so we've got some potato skins, we're gonna wash them off and deep fry them later on.
Yes.
Good vibes that. In the meantime, we've got some pumpkin that's left, yam, onions, potatoes, garlic. Good vibes. We've got some nice ingredients that's left over, everyone, because we're here overnight, staying in Cooley. So good vibes, and we've got a next bag of ingredients here as well, which is all the onion, which is some tomatoes, onions, okra and all of that as well. So we've got two good bags, so we're gonna cook up some more food, people, yeah, a good bag.
Dean Hart, I say, warm food made out with bread on it, that's right. You say it's healthy food, that's right. It's been cooked right, the soup tasty up for any homeless sleeping rock, that's right. We call you out, come out your healthy dinner, that's right. It's a hot soup, that's right. Made out by my friend right over here, helping the poor and the homeless man who is dying out. You say, we don't want nobody going to bed with no food in your stomach up. This is out of goodness, out of our good heart. That's right, we're doing it. In the mighty name of God, we help the people out who need it. Bless the people out, you say it. Right. You come out if you want to have some hot dinner, we give it. I say, you come out if you want to have some hot soup dinner, we give it.
Yes, everybody, so we're out right now. Use the kitchen. We're stepping out. It's freezing cold out here in Cooley tonight. We're going to be staying overnight here in Cooley today, people, yeah? Which way we going? Huh? Oh, we've got a sofa for the night? Ah, good. Sick.
Adventures in the sofa, mate. There's the lounge.
Okay. Yeah, look. We've got a lounge for the night, people, yeah? Right there. Good vibes. Si, let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, everyone, so as we walk these cold streets, we're trying to find those that are homeless, those that are in need, you understand? It's very, very cold. I can't wait until the weather warms up over here and the homeless people, wow, water drop on me, a blessing. And the homeless people here get a better climate condition, at least, you understand? It's wet. I've got gloves on now because my fingers are cold. But the mission continues, everybody. Like I said, it's a busy Friday night here in Cooley as well. It's a different town from Croydon, very, very much different from Croydon, people here. As we take a panoramic walk around the town, you understand? I'll show you guys. Huh?
You might take something and heavy and put it on that before you fly off.
Yeah, come.
Put the bread on it before you tree on it, put the cross on it. The cross and the tree on top of it. And we will make our logo and product. It's gonna come out. I will make all that up, don't worry about it. I will make the pot for it. I will make the pot for our logo. And you work on your clothes thing. Yeah? I love design. Man never stand alone, let me tell you that. Everything that you see is being
We come as one and we live as all.
we have to bring our
We're trying our best. We're trying our best.
We have to live. Listen, we have to love each other.
Exactly. That's how we're gonna
First and foremost.
First and foremost. Be careful, don't pour it on yourself because it's quite hot, yeah? This is called the hot pot.
Thank you, brother.
This is the hot pot, my friend.
From
If
the
you
hot
taste
pot,
this,
he's got his bandana, he's good.
if you taste this, you will come back and say,
Yes, love. Alright, brothers.
always
brother.
come back and say,
Have
please
we got a spoon?
I got spoon, yes.
enjoy your soup and say, my friend. And so load it up, hello beautifuls. So load it
What is
up,
the soup,
I'm gonna
brothers?
eat my dinner tonight because I
vegetable
got my
soup.
food at house.
That's the one I need, brother.
Yeah?
That's what helps you.
Soup is very
Nice
tasty,
spoon,
huh?
man.
Be careful,
What is it?
don't-
What is it?
don't
Sweet
spill it on
potato?
you, yeah?
Sweet potato, yam,
Man's got a big plan.
Wait, just take a video of him. Just take a sip. Take a first sip. Pour it on. Abdullah, be careful. Don't pour it on you.
Ringo, man, nigga.
Thank you. Can you just tell me about the soup, how it was?
Brother, please feed me tomorrow. And
Yeah.
we make a restaurant. We knock turtle bait out of the water.
Ah.
Come on, man. They can't serve Jamaican food like that. This is a bad boy thing.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Love. You're welcome.
Nice one, brother.
Love. Thank you. Good vibes outside. Let's go with the kitchen. Look, we've got the church bros right now, people here. So we're in time. We're aligned right now, people here. The mission is to give out the whole pot of soup and spread love with the people that are in Crawley. Understand good vibes always. Understand people here. The mission continues. And if you're watching this video wherever you are right now, you need to big up Sai.
Hi.
You understand?
Yes, guys.
And big up Adam.
Thank you for the support, you guys.
Yes, our good vibes. We're outside.
It's good, no face, sorry.
Oh, hello, brother. How are you? You're good, yeah? Tony! Yo! What's happening?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the soup, man.
You waiting for the soup, yeah?
Yes, brother. Here you go, brother.
Yeah. Yes,
Were you
bro.
hungry, brother? How you doing, buddy?
I'm alright. Yeah.
You're the night safety marshal? You're gonna make sure I'm safe tonight?
Yeah.
I'm sleeping here tonight. Make sure I'm alright. Yeah, I'm here for 2 nights. But don't worry, I don't need to hold up.
Yes.
Thank you very much, my man. Yes, man. Bless, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Huh?
Bread. Yes.
Yeah, man. So what time do you guys work?
Take 2.
But all night?
Yes, everyone. So,
Okay.
yeah, man, just sharing out the last little bit of soup.
It's good.
Today we're going to leave a tiny little bit in the pot for us, because guess what? Look around. This is where we're staying tonight, people, yeah. So we're staying out here all night, people, yeah. So thank you very much, everyone that's been a part of this journey today. We're here in Crawley. As you can see, Lucky's right there, Sai's right here. I'm right here with my belongings there as well, people, yeah. Sleeping bag and me, understand? A good vibes, the mission continues, even though we're getting a lot of glitch and whatnot, but we have to big up everybody that's on the journey so far with us, understand, and just remember that the reason why we started this is to help the people them and to give the people them the food. So whatever is here on the journey, let's try and step aside from that and focus on the mission, people, yeah. And you understand, let's keep going. It's important for us to keep going, people, yeah. There's 71 cities here in the UK and we want to tackle them 71 cities, including Ireland and Wales as well, people, yeah, and Scotland. So a good vibe. There's the kitchen right there. Everybody's here tonight and we're here as well. A good vibe. Yes, people, so we're outside right now. I'm like just kind of like just tucked in right now. So the cameraman Adam, yeah, man. This is where we're chilling out tonight. We'll be in Crawley. You understand? A good vibe said way. The mission continues. We've got some people out here. It's a real reality, people, yeah. It's actually a real reality, you understand? But a good vibe said way. I'm feeling cold. You understand? Baba, what one? How does it feel to be out here?
I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit if I wasn't with all you guys, I'd be nervous.